Is your current Wikipedia username a mistake you want to fix? Learn the exact steps to change it quickly across all Wikimedia projects. We'll walk through the simple process. Access special pages, find the rename request, submit your new username, and wait for approval. First, scroll down the left menu and click on Special Pages. Then, scroll down to the Account Management section. Now, click on Global User Account Rename Request. Go ahead and enter your requested username. Then, enter a reason in the Reason for Request field. Finally, click Request Name Change, reviewed by renamers. If approved, applies globally while preserving history. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.